Hi everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am back with another tutorial video of how you can change language on Epic Games. So to get started, first of all go ahead and open up Epic Games website. You can do it from the web browser or you can just do it from Safari. Here I'm using Safari, and in the search box you can just go ahead and search for epicgames.com. Once you search for it, make sure that you are logged into your Epic Games account and make sure that your home page will look like this. And go ahead and tap on that menu bar and then tap on the account settings. Now it will take you to your account settings, and at first you can see here preferred communication language. It is set to English on my Epic Games account. So in order to change it, you can just simply tap on that English language. Now you can select any language that you want to add or you want to change to. And once it's done, you can save the changes, and yeah, that's all guys. This is how easily you can change language on Epic Games. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, just go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.